Hey there, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a fascinating celestial event that had many of us looking up at the sky in awe and wonder. A bright green fireball, a true spectacle, flashed across the Portland area skies, leaving us with more questions than answers. So, let's unravel this cosmic mystery together. Imagine waking up early, perhaps to the sound of birds chirping, and glancing out the window, only to be greeted by a brilliant flash of green light. That's exactly what happened to several folks in the Pacific Northwest this morning. Todd from OMSI described it as a bright green fireball, a term that immediately sparks curiosity and intrigue. But what exactly is a fireball? Well, in simple terms, it's a super bright meteor. And when I say bright, I mean visible from up to 80 miles away. These celestial visitors, as Todd explains, are small objects that enter our atmosphere at incredible speeds. The friction they encounter heats them up, causing a spectacular light show as they vaporize. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This fireball was reported by people from Portland all the way up to Snohomish, Washington. That's a pretty wide area, which means this meteor put on quite the show, and it's not every day you get to witness such an event. In fact, the American Meteor Society encourages anyone who spotted this fireball to share their photos and videos, helping us piece together the full story. So what does this all mean? Well, personally, I think it's a reminder of the vastness of our universe and the mysteries that lie beyond. It's a chance to connect with the cosmos and appreciate the beauty of nature's light shows. And who knows, maybe it's a sign that we should all look up more often, appreciating the wonders above us. As we reflect on this cosmic encounter, it raises a deeper question. What other secrets and surprises does the universe have in store for us? So, keep your eyes on the skies, and let's continue exploring the wonders of the universe together. Until next time, stay curious and keep wondering.